Hi all, how are you doing? I'm sorry I haven't vlogged throughout the week. Today is Friday the 9th of October and yeah, tomorrow is going to be the weekend. So I was thinking that, rather than making kind of similar-ish videos, I can make kind of a longish video where I kind of explain in summary what I do during the week, because I guess seeing every day me doing the same thing every day, I don't know if that's really what you want, but please do comment, tell me if that's what you would like to watch, and I'm happy to do videos like that. So I was thinking I will vlog what we do this weekend, because we'll probably go cycling in London, or at least walking, or do something a bit more exciting than me not being able to tell you much about my work. So yeah, just come along with me. Again, sorry for the late, but I will try and do at least one video every week. And if of course something during the day happens, or I'm doing something different, or like I feel like I should be telling you, then I will do more than one video every week. So I hope you're looking forward and you do enjoy my video. Thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Hello, we are in Canary and we are looking through the 60 different sculptures.
64
different sculptures. As you can see, one of them is the 6 clocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there. And here we are passing through the clocks. We've only done 3 and now we're hungry because it's, let me see on the clock what time. Nearly 6:30.
You want falafel?
Do I want? No. Also, I want to eat in a warm place. Even though I know it's COVID time, so I don't know if we will eat inside or not. Let's see. Hey guys, we're in Wolf Kitchen. It's called Wolf Kitchen, and there's like different sort of you kind of choose and eat. It's kind of like a, what do you call it? Food court. So let me show you what there is. There's this Okey Pokey place right there. And then there is a jerk place there. Then there is, I think, Greek food. There is fried chicken and waffles. There is this rainbow place, which we took away at some point, and it was really, really good. And this is the burger company. So they have only vegan burgers. We ordered from there. That's why we have a burger thing. So the food has arrived. Are you happy? What did you order?
New York melt.
And I ordered a teriyaki special.
Sticky teriyaki.
Yum!
You still want donuts?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ah, I have it outside.
We didn't get any donuts. They were sold out of the ones we wanted. So now plan B, we're going to Waitrose to get some donuts. Plan C, we're just going home, I think. Because it's a straight road from here. And Waitrose is far away for this. I am cycling, and that is Canary. Where are we right now?
Rats Cliff.
Ratcliffe. Interesting. We're not, apparently. Where are we then?
We're on the Thames Path.
Thames Path.
Yeah.
Cool.
We're at the start of a nice cycle.
Guys, so we have stopped here. We're on our way to Shadwell Square? Shadwell Dock. Which is also called Brussels Dock. That's cool. And we just took another 30 minutes for our bike from Limehouse now to Shadwell. So yeah, fun time. We are at Brussels Dock, Shadwell Dock.
Brussels Wharf.
Brussels Wharf, Shadwell Wharf. We have 5 minutes till video soon. We have to drop the bikes. Hello guys, we are on our way to St. Katharine's Docks from the same place we were at. So, what was it? Brussels Wharf, Shadwell Dock, something like that.
We're at Three Sisters now.
Where are we?
Three Sisters.
Three Sisters. They're like duckies. Our bridge and the shard, guys. But look, this one has a Scottish flag on it. Woo!
You see it down here?
Mm-hmm.
It's directly into the water.
We have arrived at St. Katharine's Dock, where we wanted to, from Canary, with our cycles. Hey guys, we are sitting here on the right of the tower. If you guys can see it properly, and then on the other side you can see like the mayor's place, and this is Mike eating our packed sandwiches. Guys, we've been walking along the quays, and the quays, the keys, apparently, because English is weird, and we are here at Monument. Hey guys, so we've been walking and we're at Bank Station, and there's also a little wedding photographing going on there. Super cute. And here's Moyank. This is right there. It's kind of started to rain a bit.
This is the exchange.
And this is the exchange. We are also on a quest to find the best hot chocolate place. We tried one, and we even called them. We asked them if they were open. We got there, and I think we think that they have probably what do we call? They have probably like changed their address, because the shop which is there has a name on it, but the shop doesn't exist anymore there. So I think we're trying to find somewhere else now. Wish us luck! Hello guys, we are in an information centre, which is also
It's a bookshop. It's not an information centre.
So it's a bookshop which also serves as an information centre then. We came to get our free map. Central London Footways free map. And it shows different ways you can go walking in London. But it's just really cool because they have so many books and maps from like all over. This is just underneath. There's more upstairs over there. Yo guys, we're in Covent Garden and there is some sort of filming going on. Hey guys, we're at the Charing Cross tube station and we are heading home. Long day. Hope you've enjoyed today. I think I'm gonna go stop vlogging now. And yeah, I wish you all a very lovely week coming ahead. I hope you can hear me, but yes, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment if you want to see something else. And if you know this actor dude, comment as well. And yeah, that's it. I'll stop here and I'll see you soon. Bye.